Step backward. Step backward. Parang self-defense. Ready, and 1, 2. Step forward, back stance, double knife hand, middle block. Step forward, back stance, double knife hand, middle block. Ready, 1. Ready, forward, ready, and 2. Now, turn, okay? Turn, execute, forward stance, low block with shout. Again, turn, execute, forward stance, low block with shout. Ready, and do you do that? Now, step forward, execute, reverse neck chop with reverse punch. Back stance. Shout at the punch. Again, I repeat. Step forward, execute, reverse neck chop with reverse punch. Back stance. Shout at the punch. Ready, and 1. Nasaan yung back stance? Ako, pag nagtuturo ako dati, pag nakita ko na kaganyan ang kamay ninyo, pipitikin ko yan hanggang sa mamula. Ayan, no? Kikita niyo yung kamay ko? Mali yan. Ito ang tama. Ha? Mali. Tama. Kaya ayaw nila ako nagtuturo noon. Namimitik ako.